jump to the back and rule that 5 when we're doing some mixed formation. If you look to your right, you'll see the Spitfire.
Magic.
Look at this beautiful. This is your aircraft. Can you run us through some of the history?
Yeah, okay. The Spitfire was built in 1942. Operated by 3 friends. Squadron RAF, aircraft engines, and mining out of Robert. And then later on, the other French squadron, shot down in France.
They must work around the clock. It's such a beautiful aircraft, and thanks for allowing us to have it here. And people have been going flying in this aircraft over the past. I was talking to Squadron guys yesterday about the Spitfire and going from the S-35 to the Spitfire. Technology is very different, but the basics of flying are the same.
Yeah, still got a stick in the rudder at the throttle, so the computers have been flying our steer, but our harbour, just the natural progression of the guys in the work. So, way to the Spitfire.
What gave you this passion for World War II aircraft?
Well, I was born into a family that focused on the Spitfire in Australia, which is then okay.
And the amazing thing about this aircraft, it is a dual seat. When people do get to fly in this aircraft, do they get 2 aerobatics as well? And if people want to get in contact with you, like obviously, not just this weekend, but also leading into when you go back to Scone, how can they do that?
Yeah, they can just go on our website, it's airservice.com.au.
That was a good one.
They're all good.
It's not often you get to see these aircraft in the air, and the fact that during World War II there were so many of them, now so few around the world. It's a big waves, he flies.
Don't worry, I'm watching it with my own eyes.
Blackmore Pass. Blackmore News, here we go. Thanks, News.
hard to understand how that thing flies, you know, from being an airplane to being a helicopter. You got to see this Spitfire under hammer.
We've still got a couple more here from you. He's having way too much fun.
How good is that? The guy who flies F-35 jumps in a Spitfire and just, that's his fun, that's entertainment, that's what he's having. That's on my list of things I want to see as well. Ross, this is just great. What about you, mate? When you come to an air show, I mean, obviously Spitfire's in your blood. What do you look forward to seeing?
Well, water stuff is obviously my favourite, so
You can see why. Low level pass from the Spitfire.
Bit of a victory roll there. So Nubes supplied the FA-18 and also, of course, the F-35 as well. So he's a very experienced pilot.